In this video, Amazon coach from Germany, Boutros Said, will be sharing with us 3 mistakes Amazon sellers are doing, and he will explain how to avoid them in 2019. If you like videos like this with different Amazon experts, make sure that you subscribe to Orange Click YouTube channel. Hello, Boutros. So could you please introduce yourself and tell us how do you help Amazon sellers?
Hello, my name is Boutros Said. I'm an Amazon coach living in Germany and help people in 3 languages, English, Arabic, and German, to sell products on Amazon. I've been one of the biggest sellers in Germany with my company Site 24. And now I'm getting an online course and I'm coaching a lot of companies, even with 1,000 workers who are selling on Amazon, to sell on Amazon or on Amazon, which is the best strategy for my business.
Perfect. So you were one of the biggest sellers on Amazon Germany, and so you have a lot of experience. Could you please share some mistakes you learned that Amazon sellers are doing and which they have to avoid in 2019?
Oh, let's talk about the mistakes I see every day. What are the seller doing? For example, it's by sponsored product, PPC, when they are making sponsored products. For example, for the item, it's meaning they are making advertisement that they will be found or they want to be found on Amazon. And the problem is you have to report that, not just install a campaign and think, wow, I'm going to sell tomorrow. I will get everything automatically, because Amazon want to earn money. They earned about $2.3 billion last year just through PPC, and it's like earning money machine. And let's talk about the report. So after 7 days, you can download the report. And the most thing you have to understand, Amazon, when you are checking this report online, you will see, for example, at the first moment, okay, I got this cost and those sales, but you will not see directly which cost you got and not sales on the other side. That's why it's very important to download this list, check with which keywords are making cost without sales, and you have to difference which keywords are positive, which keywords are negative, to take the negative keywords and put them in the negative list, so you are not spending money for these negative keywords.
So what you are saying that it's not so easy to see on the Seller Central which keywords are losing money for you, right? You have to analyze.
It's a kind of tricky. You can see if you just click 3-4 times, but a lot of the sellers are not clicking this, and they forgot that. They just see it at the first report and think, oh, okay, I'm making, but when you check it, because we analyze the accounts of the customer and we say that, wow, it's very, very crazy what they are spending for a great cost for nothing, yeah, you know?
Cool. All right. And do you have any tips for, so review is a very hot topic always, so getting reviews. Do you see Amazon sellers making any kind of mistakes in getting reviews or?
Amazon hate this topic. That's why they delete a lot of feedbacks. And there are a lot of sellers using, let's say, stupid methods to get feedbacks for their product. And how they do it. For example, you can check a lot of product testers. Are they going to test your item? You send them that, and then you return them the money via PayPal. The problem is, when you are doing this and Amazon see this customer or this kind of reviewer is just reviewing sex toys, reviewing another items, reviewing a lot of items, and maybe he do just mistake by clicking on the link you send them or using a coupon code or a code from a Chinese seller. So Amazon will delete all of the feedbacks on your product. So it's very dangerous to use those methods. It's better to use email list or another methods, but not this directly a method by product testers through PayPal. Yeah, it's very dangerous. That's why.
Well,
avoid that.
Of course, it is against the rules of Amazon. What do you think about getting reviews using Facebook bots, which is getting popular right now?
It's not bad. It's even working. And if you are doing that carefully, so you know everything through Facebook. You know the people bought. Maybe you don't know if they bought, but you can tell him, okay, I don't know if you bought this item, but it would be nice if you give me a feedback. He's not using the Amazon system direct. Amazon is not, the problem is it's difficult to talk about that. Nobody but without reviews, it's hard. You need 5 reviews to get the best result by your PPC, because if you are making PPC and you have no reviews, 5 is enough. You don't need 100, yeah. But to buying reviews is not really the right way. It's dangerous. Don't do that.
All right. So we talked about not to make mistake in PPC campaigns, to track the keywords which are losing your money. Then be careful with reviews which you gain illegally, let's say against the Amazon rules by PayPal reviews, let's say, what they call. And the third tip do you have for Amazon sellers in 2019?
I check a lot of reports for the seller. They tell me we are not earning money anymore, and it's called the long storage fees. A lot of people are not knowing what this is. Storage fees is, it means when you get this item longer than 6 months on Amazon stock, so you are paying for this long storage. So it's about 500 euro in Germany for 1 cubic meter. So it's a lot of money if you've got a lot of stuff there. That's why I suggest you have to check your setting and make automatically remission, so that you avoid this problem. You will pay for the remission money, but it will not be too much, like 500 euro for 1 cubic meter. This is the biggest problem. And maybe I tell you one topic more. What is the biggest mistake I see? How a lot of sellers are spending money on Amazon? It's when big companies got a vendor account. Vendor account is using when you get a vendor account, it's the way to sell on Amazon. So when a big company is using a vendor account, they are making advertisement, PPC on Amazon through this vendor account. And they got maybe another company, they got the same brand, and they are making PPC for the seller account. Or maybe it's the same company, so they are making PPC through the seller account and through the vendor account. And the costs will be so high, they bid the cost automatically so high, and they don't do that. They are losing money themselves, you know. Nobody else is bidding for those keywords. They are doing this themselves.
Yeah, so be careful about if you have vendor and seller accounts and you're selling same products.
So don't make PPC through 2 accounts. You can make now PPC with the seller account. It's a great way to make with the seller account. You can make even product ad displays and all of the ways you have on vendor. There's no way, or you don't need to use vendor anymore for making advertisement.
Perfect. So those who are watching this video in early 2019, you will still be able to meet actually Boutros in person in the European Seller Conference in March. So Boutros will be there presenting. You will be presenting some mistakes you made in your huge e-commerce business when you were top seller in Germany, right?
Right. I will talk about the biggest mistake I made, not what the seller making. I will talk about my business, how I made this business starting from zero and made 20 million euro in 1 year, how I did that and what happened, a financial problem, all the problems I got to that. I'm not existing with this company anymore. It's easy to talk about success and nobody wants to tell you about mistakes. And I think it's very important to talk about mistakes so another seller can learn from that and they avoid making these mistakes, because I used to talk about that in Copenhagen, and a lot of sellers came to me and they told me, wow, thanks for this, you are saving us through your speech, and that's why I'm making that.
Yeah, perfect. I'm looking forward to hear your story. And those who want to have a shortcut in their Amazon business success, so I encourage to contact Boutros. He will be happy to help you. He is an Amazon coach, right? So as you said at the beginning, you help in 3 languages: English, German, and Arabic. And how can people get in touch with you?
So I have a YouTube channel starting new on YouTube, so you can subscribe my channel. Or I have in German now a course. It's called Amazon Seller System. So you can just put in Google Amazon Seller System DE, and you find me. And just write me. You find a way in the internet just to write me through Facebook or through YouTube, just like as a comment. If you have a question, I would answer it again.
Yes, and all the links how to find Boutros and his website you will find below this video. So thank you very much, Boutros, and good luck in your business, and see you in Prague.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed this conversation, and if you would like to get notifications about new videos I'm making with Amazon experts and software and tools for Amazon sellers, make sure that you subscribe to the Orange Clicks YouTube channel.